Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. This is the 5th and final video of my giveaway videos for my 15-year anniversary on YouTube, where I am giving away this Louis Vuitton Eva clutch. In the original giveaway video, all of the guidelines to enter to win this bag are always linked below. So you have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment entered below. However, instead of just entering entered, you can, it's not a problem. Maybe just tell me, and I'm not getting emotional, if you followed me for 1 year, 1 month, 15 years, 10 years, maybe just tell me how we've been friends, what it's meant to you, why I guess you've watched my content, why you've followed companies like what I'm about to unbox. Let me know below. Me being with companies like Fashionphile and talking about them for this long, and the amount of information and feedback that I get from you guys, like, it's good, it's working, I love it, I only trust it. All that feedback that I get, why don't you just comment below, guess what it's meant to you to be with me on my channel for this long? Because I'm over here and I don't see you guys, but you get to see me. All we can go off is the comments and the response that we get in direct messages on any of the platforms on social media. And what a better video to end this on than this unbelievable unboxing. Now on to the main event. 9 months ago was my first collaboration video back on YouTube. Being burnt out in the sense of just repetition and repetition and selling and sponsorships and blah-de-blah-de-blah. And this company is the first company and the only company that I have done collaborations with. So I would like to thank today's video sponsor, who are, which 9 months ago I said in that unboxing of my P9 Speedy, the leading #1 worldwide consignment resale company out there. I have now been a Fashionphile blogger, a Fashionphile brand ambassador for 12 years. I am sitting down today with the two CEOs of Fashionphile.com. I am in Carlsbad, San Diego, because these two amazing people flew me out here for their first collaboration ever, which I could not believe. I was like, me, I'm first.
I think they know why.
Yeah. Okay. This is Sarah Davis, and this is Ben
Heminger.
If you can believe it or not, this is Sarah's brother-in-law.
She just met
my wife's sister.
Yes, that.
Emily.
Yeah. I just met Emily, the sister of Sarah. Everyone in this family basically works in this company. From daughters.
She just met Steve.
Oh. From daughters.
I was talking to my husband, and then he walked in behind her. I'm like, oh.
And I told him, I said, why'd you walk in? You could have heard gossip. If you don't believe my authenticity, just ask anyone in my life what travels with me everywhere. Look, you can see where it's been dropped all on the bottom. Just ask everyone how many lids I've changed. This Hydro Flask goes everywhere with me, hand on heart. You can ask anyone. My Pilates sports bag, my unboxing knife, their #1 product that they have now launched, and I am going to do a video on it. I am so embarrassed to show you the video of this Renew kit because it's so gross. I am so proud. I am proud to have been a Fashionphile blogger for 12 years, to originally have started talking about this company. They were my first proper consignment store overseas that I bought from. I unboxed my, let me try, and you guys might know better than I do. I unboxed, was it my GST? My GST Classic Flat. You are purchasing big money and you want to be assured that it is A, authentic, B, in good condition, C, it will get to you safely, and D, if it is not what you want and not what you expected, you have reassurance that you can return and exchange. And that, my friends, is exactly what Fashionphile.com offer. Let's go ahead and unbox it. If there is anything this company does well, it is marketing. Everything done immaculately, everything packed with paper, air paper. You will always receive your item in a Fashionphile dust bag. I mean, the charisma is just next level. And this right here, this is Sarah to a T. Okay, it is. I see you, girl. She is the George. She's got charisma from day one till now, and trust me, successful beyond belief. I think the biggest dream of mine is to go over and see every single showroom, every single boutique that they've opened. I am so proud because it's just exploded in actual showrooms. That takes a lot of trust. That takes a lot of growth to have showrooms to be able to go and visit these handbags. So here we go. Let's unbox this together. What color box is it? It's in its box in this dust bag. That's cool. What color box is it? Ah! It's orange. It is orange. Oh my god, it came from Fabo. It came from Saint Honoré. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. That is so cool. So the actual owner of this bag, who has consigned it to Fashionphile, got this bag in Saint Honoré. So that's even more special. This is from the wish list, guys. Ooh. This is like boutique. This is boutique vibes. This is straight from the boutique. This came from Paris. On its little pillow, you can see there. All right, let's take a look. It's got tags. It's got tags. Oh, wow. Paris have tags. Let me see it's the right way around because I want to be surprised with you. It is the right. I know you guys are probably like, cringe. All this girl does is scream and carry on. Wow. Okay. For the believers, non-believers, overachievers, tweet and deleters, I'm going to stop saying oh my god, because for the spirituals, that's not okay, it's not nice. I'll say gosh. I'm going to stop saying god. Oh my gosh. This color come through Hermes. I have said it definitely many times before, but this no one does color like Hermes. No one. I think I did it in my blue Zanzibar. I think I rave, went crazy, but no one does color like them. So this, my friends, is the Constance 18 from Fashionphile. I think it was just good condition with wear. Came with box, pillow, dust bag, and yep, so it's got its little felt. Hi Dale. Undone by Dale. Hi Dale, she hates this felt. She thinks it's so ugly and shouldn't be on the bag. So there you go, Dale. The hardware was listed as scratch, so palladium hardware, nice and fresh. So I'm going crazy, let me calm down. You get your Fashionphile circle tag there on the side, and then you get your Fashionphile token. Like, it looks like an air tag. Do you know what? It could be an air, no, I'm joking, it's not an air tag. To make this beauty yours, cut it off, keep this on, and then you can go through your process of return and exchange. It is in Swift leather. I, from Hermes, only purchase soft leathers if I can, mainly because I'm not a fan of Epsom. I don't like a pressed leather. If I want to get leather and pay this kind of money, I want a grained soft leather. I just do. Some people totally prefer Epsom because of the structure, which is exactly what it does. It will hold its structure a lot better. I will compare it to my blue Zanzibar in a second for my Kelly 28, but I don't believe it scratches as much as, you know, forums and places like that say. And the color is the most famous purple from Hermes, and in French it is Anemone. In English, or translating it, it's Anemone. So the sea urchin, the sea flower, so your purple. If there is any purple I would love, like most purple to add to my collection in a handbag, it is this. This shade of purple is just gorgeous to me. It's almost like a royal purple. Ding! Just anemone. That is what it is. And to go against the palladium hardware, it's so fresh. It's so beautiful. I tried this on in the boutique when I went to pick up the other week my brand new quota bag, which yes, I am getting around to unbox. I'm one of those leave and absorb the like just tingles. I'm one of those people, especially quota bags, savor the moment, but I am getting around to unboxing it. I tried it on in that vlog. This strap is very short, and it is very short on me. Claws, I think the best way for me to open it without scratching the leather, is by putting my finger flat, like so, not trying to hook under and picking it up. I had gloves on that day, obviously trying on. So that is how you open it. You flick out, and underneath has Hermes engraved here in the corner. And then it has Hermes Paris, made in France, stamped here on the front, and that's in the matching silver with palladium. Ah! I'm so excited. Oh, I didn't even smell it. I didn't do my smell test. Nothing. That is one thing about Fashionphile. And truthfully, when I say this, I mean it. I think they underrate their items. I really do. This was listed as good. It was. Scratches on the hardware. We probably have one or two. On this front bar, it doesn't even, I mean, their hairline. I have had questions before, like they've rated this handbag excellent and there's all damage on the sides or inside it's got scratches. Why would it be rated excellent? Send out a contact and ask, go, was this a miss? They have millions of items of inventory. Of course there's going to be human error. You definitely have to list everything. And then scratches under the flap. I mean, it doesn't even look barely used, does it? You have a back slip pocket here. The largest compartment is the back here that you can see, and then you have the smaller compartment at the front, which then has a slip pocket. I get too excited and I'm running around like a headless chicken. I'm just not focusing. Right, I wanted to grab my Kelly 28 in blue Zanzibar in Swift to show you the comparison of Swift together and I guess the saturation of this Anemone, and blue Zanzibar together. Just look at that. This is why I rave about Hermes and their saturation in color, in the leathers. The Dylon is insane. Yeah, look, I'm not going to say this doesn't have scratches and wear and it's far, you know, more delicate than a Togo or a calf skin from Fendi or Louis Vuitton. It is quite delicate and it will pick up scratches more, but I'm not scared of it. I'm not scared of Swift. So that is my beautiful Kelly and my Constance 18, and both in palladium. Palladium is so fresh. We're going to put some things in this baby and then we're going to do some mod shots because we're feeling the zhuzh and I want to try it out. So currently I am carrying my Fendi Peekaboo in the mini size. So let's put my wallet in the front actually for easier access, and you can put extra cards in this slip if need be. And then let's put my 4 key in the back, like that, with my car key on the side. Phone can slip in the back easily like this, totally fine. And then more room in the back. My coin purse, yeah, I can do that if I wanted to. And then can sunnies kind of go on top. Look, it would have done up though. Look, I love a bulky bag. I said that about my Coach, Beat It. I love the feeling of full bags. I just do. So what's important to note is this is a smaller compartment than this back. So it's not, you're not stretching this out. It's bigger than that. But you could even fill that front up more. So I could put my ears in with my wallet. With my recto verso, I could put that in as well. So, and I could put my scrunchie on top. It's always fun packing a handbag, but then unpacking it in the middle of the shopping centre doing your groceries, yeah. Everyone does this and it's all packed beautifully and all neatly. That's not what's happening in the shopping mall. That's not what's happening in Target. Looking good. Oh, it's nice in the hand. On the shoulder, it's nice in the hand. Let's step back and try this baby on. Okay, we have denim on today. It just sits perfectly like that on the shoulder. Pulling the strap out. Now that hits perfectly on me. Again, on the side, so it just hits high thigh. Gorgeous. And then we will crossbody, which hits waist on Jerusha. I am 5'7", 5'8", and obviously curvy. That is where it's hitting on me. Would I crossbody this? Absolutely, but I couldn't care less. It is great access when it is crossbody on the shoulder and still easy access. Okay, in closing, I sound like Jillian at a real estate conference. In closing, 15 years. I know I keep saying 15 years as if it's like forever. Let me put it like this. A subby in one of the comments said, I started watching you from the beginning, and I know that because my son is in grammar. He is 15. See? What? That is a lifetime. To have been with this company for 12 of those years is phenomenal. I want to share with you for 12 years a company that I believe in and trust with authenticity that is not just entropy. It's an entire team now spanning over states. Fashionphile is a language. They live it, they breathe it, they promise it to you. So thank you so much to my brand partner, today's video sponsor, my forever partner, Fashionphile. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have not entered my 15-year anniversary giveaway, watch the unboxing of this amazing Louis Vuitton Eva clutch that I am giving away. Go ahead, watch the unboxing here, go through, watch all 4 videos, this being the last one, like and comment below for me to give this away to one of my lucky subscribers. So thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.